Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a method for adding captions to a video you have created in YouTube. The first thing that you want to do is go into your video manager under your own YouTube account and then click on the title of the video that you wish to caption. In this case I'm going to click on the video entitled Sample Video for Adding Captions. So I will click on the title and that opens up a menu of many options that I can choose from. You will then go over and click on the subtitles/CC button. And once you do that, you will have a few options listed underneath. I'm going to click under where it says Published English Automatic. And what that means is that it will generate a transcript. YouTube will generate a transcript of all the text in my video with timestamps. They use their own voice recognition software to recognize what I am saying in the video. It is not perfect, but it is a quick method for getting the text down onto the transcript, and I will show you the method for editing it. So I will go and click on English Automatic. And it may ask you before you see that to select the video of the language. So you will have the option to do that before clicking English Automatic. So once I have done that, I can now see on the left-hand side of my screen the transcript text of the video along with timestamps. And then underneath the video itself, I see a timeline of sorts with the text also displayed. But as you can see on the left-hand side, this portion is grayed out. I can't really do anything to it yet. So if I want to edit my video and the captions, I will go over to the Edit button. And it will ask me if I want to overwrite existing subtitles. In this case, I do want to because I'm going to be editing the auto-generated subtitles. So I will click Overwrite. And now, as you can see, the transcript portion on my screen is not gray anymore, and I can go in and make changes. So what I like to do in this, once I reach this point, is I like to just press play, and I listen, and I see what the caption is saying, and I can tell if it's accurate for what I actually said, and if it's not, I can simply go into the box on the left where that particular text appears and edit it. So I'm going to begin this by pressing play.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alternate text to an image in Word 2016. First thing you want to do once your image is inserted is to write.
Okay, so I can already tell that it doesn't have any punctuation. And so I will want to add that. It also got a couple of words wrong. So what I'm going to do over here in this first box is just add in some capitals and a period. And I'm going to listen to it again because I want to hear again what it said.
Image in Word 2016. First thing you want to do once your image is inserted is to select the image and then right click.
Okay, and sometimes when you're speaking, you tend to change quickly what you meant to say if you misspoke, which I do often. So what I'm going to do for clarity purposes for someone who's reading the captions is I'm going to delete this word. So if you fumble over your words a little bit, you can go and edit that so that it's clear to someone who's reading it. Let me see if those changes make sense.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alternate text to an image in Word 2016. First thing you want to do once your image is inserted is to select the image and then right-click on it, and then go down to Format Picture.
Okay, and then here I'd like to put quotes around Format Picture so that somebody knows that that is the title of the section of the screen that they want to look for.
You should see then on the right of the screen the Format Picture menu, and then we are going to click on the Layout and Properties button, which is the third from the left.
Okay, and similar to that, I will amend this a little bit. So as you can see, it's very simple to make changes. You simply go into the transcript portion and make whatever edits you would like to. Now, if you have YouTube auto-generate the captions, the syncing is usually pretty accurate. In other words, the text that you see on the screen is usually the same as what you're hearing being spoken. So YouTube does a really good job of syncing the text. However, should you find that certain text is not synced properly, if you go down into your timeline beneath the video, you'll notice that on either side of each text box are handles. I'm showing you one here on the right and one here on the left. And manipulating those are very simple. You can simply click and drag to the left or right to adjust when that text will appear on your screen. So again, that's very easy to edit. Once you have gone through and checked all your captions and all the syncing and made sure that everything looks fine, you will simply then go up to the Save Changes button, and that will save your changes. So I will do that now, even though I haven't finished editing all of it. And now it will say subtitles published. So then now when someone goes to view your video, they will have the option to turn on the closed captions, and you know that the captions will be accurate. Thank you so much for watching.